Good morning, students. As we all know that we have completed this chapter number 6, that is plants preparing and storing food. So today we will do the summary of this chapter, that what we have done in this chapter till now. So first in this chapter I have told you that are plants. So this I have told you in the form of notes, that plants are group of living things that uses sunlight to make their food. So plants are what? These are group of living things which uses sunlight to make their food, and most plants have leaves, stems, roots, flowers and fruits. And the things like grasses, trees, vines. What do you vines? Vines, that how the grapes grown on tree, that kind of plants are referred to as vines. Vegetables, these all are example of plants. And plants are green in color. Why they are basically green in color? They are green in color due to the presence of substance which is known as chlorophyll. After that, I have told you that in the next, that how plants prepare food, that is food for plants. And in this topic I have told you regarding that basically food for plants. 4 things that are needed by plants to prepare food. 4 things are required by a plant to make their food. These are water, carbon dioxide, chlorophyll and sunlight. Water. Plants obtain water from the soil. They obtain carbon dioxide from the air. Chlorophyll, it is already present in the leaves, and sunlight they get from sun. So how they prepare food? When water and carbon dioxide they combine together in the presence of chlorophyll and sunlight, they form food for plant, and that food for plant we term them as starch also. Now what is photosynthesis? This photosynthesis, it is basically combination of 2 words. This one word, it is a combination of 2 words, photosynthesis. Now what is photo? Photo means light and synthesis means putting together. So what is photosynthesis? It is the process of preparing food by leaves by using water, carbon dioxide, chlorophyll and sunlight, and this process is known as photosynthesis. And this is the simple diagram showing the leaf structure, that it gets sunlight from the sun. The chlorophyll, it is present in leaf. They get carbon dioxide from the air, and water they get from the soil. So in this way the process of photosynthesis takes place in the plants. And after that we have done about the leaf. And in leaf we have done the different parts of leaf. This is given on page number 50 in this paragraph of your book. Now you should know what is leaf. So leaf is what? Leaf is a flat, thin plant organ that uses the sun to make its food. So what is leaf? Leaf is a flat, thin plant organ which the plant uses to make its food. And this I have already told you, that leaves are green in color due to the presence of substance which is known as chlorophyll. Now what does leaf structure consist of? Leaf consists of many parts. The main part is this line, which is, this is the pipe-like structure which is known as midrib. And from midrib many small pipe-like structure arises, which they are known as side vein. And this whole structure of the leaf, this full part of the leaf, this whole is known as leaf blade. And this is leaf stalk. Leaf stalk is that which attaches leaf from stem to the leaf. This leaf stalk is responsible to connect leaf to the stem of the plant, and this you can see in case of this leaf also. If we are saying that this is the leaf, in this leaf, this middle one which is rising from middle one, this is known as midrib. From midrib many pipeline structure lines are arising, they are known as vein. And this full green structure, this full green, it is known as lamina. And this is the stalk of the leaf which connect the leaf to the stem of the plant. Now we have done after that what is midrib, how you can define midrib. So what is midrib? Midrib, it is a main vein which is running along the center of the leaf. And what are side veins? These are number of veins which run on the leaf plate. Now midrib, it consists of two kind of pipelines. First pipeline, it carries water and mineral to all cells of the leaf, and second kind of pipeline, it carries food which is prepared by leaves to the other parts of the plant. Now in this, stomata plays a very important role. So what are stomata? Stomatas are basically small tiny pores which is present underside of leaf. So how we can define stomata? On the underside of a leaf are tiny pores which is called stomata. And what is its main function? Its main function of stomata is that during the process of photosynthesis, a leaf take in carbon dioxide and give out oxygen and water vapor through the stomata. So they help in exchange of gases. Which gas they take in? They take in carbon dioxide and give out oxygen. Now this is the simple structure of stomata. Stomata is made up of two bean shaped cells. We call them guard cells also. So what they do? They take in oxygen. What they release? They release oxygen and water vapors. During which process? During photosynthesis. Now after that we have done topic, that is how do plants use their food. So in this what we have done? In this we have done that the food prepared by plant by the process of photosynthesis, they are used for which purpose? Basically there are three main uses of food. So what I have written here, see that plant store food in the form of simple sugar. So how they make food? They